right, go ahead and do it. You got the pulse of the pulse of the coil pack's off. It's not consistent with the crank of the motor. Do it again. Now, it ain't working now. It just did one time. I'm gonna show you it again. Yeah, that's bad right there. I'm gonna show you. Hey, he just squirted a bunch of starter fluid in there. Let's see what happened. So ignition. All right. Okay. With this car here, the owner came out and he got it cranked, but it's an issue with the ignition. So that will take further diagnosis to figure out why it's not getting the proper signal to the ignition. The ignition, because the ignition is not consistent with the rotation of the motor. So it could lead back to a bad computer. I guess starting out, you can do coil packs and spark plugs to see if that'll help it. But if not, it could lead back to a computer issue. So okay then.